You already know that Ketamine Infusion Therapy provides quick results and lasting help in treating depression. After all, Ketamine Wellness Centers put you firmly back in the driver's seat of your life. And this new lease is definitely an upgrade over what you owned before. To preserve your good health, it's essential to perform routine maintenance on yourself. You do it for your car without giving it a second thought. You don't wait until you have an issue before you rotate the tires, check fluid levels, and change the oil, because you know that a breakdown could leave you stranded by the side of the road and lead to expensive repairs. There's no check engine light or mileage chart in our brains, so putting yourself on cruise control without a reliable plan to keep your brain healthy can also have harmful consequences. Becoming run down can lead to missing work, feelings of isolation, and keeping distance from friends and family, or even an increase in medications that come with dangerous side effects. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, good sleep habits, and healthy amounts of social interaction are critical for your well-being. Routine maintenance ketamine infusions are also important for preserving a consistent mental state. You're running more smoothly now, so you may not feel the same dramatic effect with maintenance infusions as you did with your initial stabilization, but they can help remove some of the bumpy spots in life. Reach out to our clinical team at 855-KET-WELL to make sure you're traveling on the smoothest road possible. We're always available to answer your maintenance questions, because at Ketamine Wellness Centers, there is hope, there is help.